Hello guys, welcome. In the previous session we have discussed about distinct class, I think. So in this session we'll discuss about and or operators or conditions or clause, whatever you call. So in a very good logical sequence, with the help of practice queries, we'll learn everything about and or operators. So hope you are excited. Let's get started without any delay. And or in DBMS. So basically why we use this and or operators. If you are aware of the where class in SQL, what does where class? It is used to filter the data, display only those records where the condition is satisfied. Whatever the condition you specified, if that condition holds for that particular row, then only it gets okay. So what if you want to display more than one, if you want have more than one condition, then for that purpose this and or are used as conjunction of conditions. Why we use more condition? For more precise filtration of data from the database tables by combining more than one condition along with the select, update and delete queries. Okay, so it's not that you need to use this and or operators only with the selector. You can also perform any DML operation as well. Right, let's talk first about this and clause. The and clause returns to or you all know about this and class. That only one thing that should come to your mind if wherever whatever and it may be, whether in electronics or whatever it may be, both are true, then only irrespective of anything it returns false. Both true, that's it. And will return true only when all the conjunction of condition, that means whatever the conditions that you have specified after the where class was satisfied. Condition 1 should be true, condition 3 should be, then only this data gets displayed. Okay, for example, if you want, we will try to display the records of employees who are working as a manager, and also that particular manager should get a salary greater than rupees 2500. Okay, so here you want two conditions to be satisfied. One condition is he must be a manager, and one more condition is he must be earning salary greater than 2500. Two conditions if required. If satisfied, then only you are displaying data. If he is a manager and if he is not earning 2500, that particular manager record is not going to be. If a person is earning more than rupees 2500 but he is not a manager, then also it's not going. So hope you understood the real sense, and I hope it is self-explanatory. Let's solve this query. We have a table EMP that we are dealing with all the sessions. Select star from EMP. Right, 7 rows split into 8 columns. We want managers who are earning the salary greater than 2500. So how can that? Select, so you can display entire details of records, or else you can be specific as select job comma ename, whatever it may be, that doesn't matter. Select job comma ename comma, you can display anything here. So in order to know what first of all we should display his job, then only we can understand what we are job ename salary. If you don't display salary also, records get displayed, but for understanding that this particular salary greater than 2500, I'm taking that particular column. That's it. So from EM where class, where, what is our requirement? Job should be manager and salary must be greater than 2500. So he doesn't mention great salary 2500 or more. It must even if it is 2500, then also it is not going to display. Okay, so salary greater than 2500. To execute this, we are having two managers, namely Blake and Johns, who are earning 2850 and 2975 rupees. Right, if you take like this, what happens? Okay, we don't have employee that is that who is earning exactly 2500. So if you take greater than equal to, then the person who is earning 2500 also gets displayed. That I want to tell you. Okay, hope you are understanding. Let's move on to OR class. OR class also very basic. So in the previous example we have discussed about AND class, right? So what I said in the AND class is that if every condition is true, then only true. Here it is reverse. In the case of AND class, if every condition is true, then only true, otherwise false. Even if one condition fails, it is false. Exactly in the case of OR class, what we can tell is if every condition is false, then only false. That is, if at least one condition is true, then entire condition holds true and that particular data can be retrieved. So among multiple conditions specified in the where class, the transaction is performed if any of the condition is true. It can be one condition true, okay, two condition true, okay, three condition true, okay, n condition true, okay. One condition is true, it's enough. If everything is false, then it will not going to perform the transaction. For example, if you want to display the details of all analysts and managers, you want the details of all analysts and managers. So, for example, practically, where job equal to manager, then what happens? Manager details gets or job analyst. So he can be manager, he can be analyst. So all analysts and managers will be displayed in the company. So we have 5 records. 5 records are displayed. Now what happens if I take and here? Guess what output you will get if you take and here, and here. See, can a person can be manager and analyst? It is not possible, right? So if he is a manager, for example, if the person is E-name, if he is a manager, how can he be an analyst? So both the conditions are not possible. So you will get no data. Both the conditions will not be satisfied in this case. But he can be a manager, but salary can be so and so. That becomes true. But here it is not possible. So no data gets displayed. And whenever you use a condition and the same column, then no data gets displayed. The next dimension would be the combination of both and or also. There can be a complexity, or else there can be such requirement whether you should combine both. You should combine simple conditions. You should have a combination of one or more compound conditions. You say in this combining and or, what the question asking, display the details of employees having a salary greater than 1500, or if he is a manager, which is exclusively from 10th department and 30th department. I am very sure that you have understood nothing from this statement. It is simply, if you break into parts, one thing will be clear. We are displaying employees who are having salary greater than 1500 and he's a manager. That is okay. So we are displaying employee details who are getting either 1500 salary or he's a manager. From which departments? From 10th and 30th departments, exclusively from 10th and 30th. So we can further simplify this something like that. We are displaying all the employees who are managers or who are earning more than 15,000 from 10th departments and 30th departments. All the managers from 10th and 30th department gets displayed. All the employees who get salary more than 1500 will be displayed from 10th and 30th department. We will try to write the query. Let's try to display all the data, no problem. Select star from EMP. Where, what is the first condition? Salary greater than 1500 or job equal to manager. Now what happens? All the managers, either he is a manager or if it is any person who is getting salary greater than 1500. It can be managers or it can be any other employee, 1500 salary, more than 1500 salary, or if it can be a manager also who can be getting more than 1500 salary. From where we have to get this? You have to get this only from department numbers. It must be either from department number 10 or department number 30. So it can be from these two departments, right? Either 1500 from department number 10, either 1500 greater than 1500 from department, either manager from department number 30, either manager from department number 10 or 30. So all managers or employees greater than 1500 salary income from 10th department and 30th department are displayed. So like this you can have n number of chaining. Again in this inside also you can have one more condition based on the requirement. So that's it friends. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Please do practice what I have been taught so far practically in Oracle Compiler. Keep learning. See you in the next session. Bye bye.